Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Simple and Easy Cooking. And today I am making a sweet dish. We call it zarda, sweet rice. So here are the ingredients we need. I'm using 1 cup of basmati rice as this cup of measurement, and I soaked it for 15 minutes and now I washed it already. And we need a sugar. Recipe require, if the 1 cup is rice, the 1 cup of sugar, but I'm using little bit lesser, like this much, because we don't like too much sweet. And we need I'm using 5 green cardamom, 10 to 12 cloves, and a little bit walnuts, and almond slices, raisins. This is the dry coconut that I chopped in the slices. And we need water, clarified butter, desi ghee, and a little bit food color, orange food color. So let's get started. I'm gonna turn on my stove. And I'm gonna add about 3 spoons of desi ghee, clarified butter. This recipe is good in the clarified butter, so I prefer that you use only desi ghee because the aroma and the taste is amazing. And now I'm just gonna pound this cardamoms, so they're just, I'm gonna do a little bit so they open, so they leave their flavor and aroma in the rice. That's it. When our ghee is gonna be hot, then we're gonna add cloves and cardamom. So our ghee is hot. Now I'm gonna add cardamom and cloves. Just saute them about a minute so they leave their aroma and flavor in the oil, in the desi ghee. So it's about 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna add the raisins. Just cook them about 2 minutes, so they're gonna rise in the size. So now you see they're bigger in the size. So at that point we're gonna add our water, and very carefully. So I'm using this 1 cup of rice, and we're gonna add double water. One, two, and little bit extra. Now in the bowl I'm taking about 1 tablespoon of water. In this we're gonna add like 2 pinches of food coloring. 1, 2, that's it. Mix it. And now add this mixture. mix it. Now we're gonna cover it and we're gonna wait until it comes to the boil. So it started boiling. Now we're gonna add our rice. We're gonna mix it and cover it, and we're gonna check after 4 minutes and make sure they are on a low medium heat. So it's about 4 minutes and we're gonna check them and stir it. Now we're gonna close the lid again and we're gonna check again in 4-5 minutes. So it's about 4 minutes, and now we're gonna add our sugar. And now we're gonna add our almonds. I'm just gonna keep some for garnishing. Our dry coconut and walnut. Now we're gonna close the lid. We're gonna check in 4-5 minutes. So it's almost 5 minutes. It's gonna take a little bit more time because you see still it's have a water. So we're gonna cover it and make sure you check and stir every 3 to 4 minutes and on slow medium heat. So it's 3 minutes and now they look ready. Now we're gonna cover them and turn off the stove and leave them like that about 20 minutes. Now they're ready. So I'm gonna garnish them with a little bit almond. And some dry coconut. So here our sweet rice is ready. I hope you guys like this recipe. It's easy if you follow step by step. Try this recipe at home. I hope you guys like this recipe and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Let me know in the comment box if you guys want to see any other recipes. Thank you so much, guys.